You ever feel like you missed your shot? Like everyone else started the race while you're still tying your shoes? You scroll and everyone's doing something, building, creating, winning, and you're just stuck. But what if I told you you're not behind, you're just beginning? Some people bloom at 16, some at 36, some after they've lost everything. You don't need to catch up. You need to wake up. Your worth isn't in what you've done. It's in what you're willing to do now. That version of you that's been hiding, doubting, shrinking, they don't have to be the one who wakes up tomorrow. You can choose to begin again, right now. Not next Monday, not next year, this second. Close the tabs. Get out of your head. Forgive the wasted time. You are not your past. You're the author of what happens next. You don't need a miracle. You need one brave decision to stop doubting yourself and start becoming yourself. You've got time. You've got breath. That's all you need. Start messy. Start small, but start. Because the people who change their lives aren't ready. They're willing.
He will try.
This is your new beginning. Now go create a life you're proud to wake up to. And if you've ever felt stuck or called yourself lazy, you need to watch our last video. It'll change how you see yourself forever.